Hello, my dear friend. First of all, thank you so much for giving so much support and love to my previous video. You people have crossed more than 2000 in my previous video. Okay, so more than 2000 of you have watched that video within 10 days. Such a great response, and I am grateful to you. Okay, so today we are going to solve how to simplify fractions where multiple operation we have to do, like we have to subtract and we have to add as well. Okay, so we have mixed fraction also. Okay, so be concentrate for few more seconds. I will tell you two method. One is traditional method and another will be trick only. Okay, so keep focus. So my dear friend, your first question is in front of you. So question says 1 upon 7 minus 3 upon 14 plus 5 upon 7. So your first step is you have to take LCM of these three denominators. Okay, so LCM of 7, 14 and 7. So what it will be? It will be as 7, 14 and 7. First of all, you have to divide by very small number, that is from 2 you have to start. So 7 will not be divided, so you have to write down 7 as it is, and 7 2 ja 14, so it will be divided 7 times 2 14. Okay, again this 7 will not be divided, so write down same again. So this all these numbers will be only divided by 7 only. Okay, so 7 1 ja 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. So LCM would be 2 into 7, that is 14. So your LCM is 14. So this is traditional method. Okay, I am solving traditional method. Okay, so 14 is your LCM. Now second step is, this was your step first. Now step second. Step second is just write down the LCM in denominator, and after that you have to write the numerator of first fraction. So numerator of first fraction is 1. You have to write 1, then sign of multiplication. Okay, again second step is you have to divide this LCM 14 by this denominator. So when you divide 14 by 7, how many times it will go? It will go 7 2 ja 14 2 times. Okay, again there is a sign of minus, then you have to write down the numerator of second term, so 3, sign of multiplication, then again you have to divide this LCM by this denominator. So when you divide 14 by 14, how many times it will go? It will go 1 time. Again there is a sign of plus, so apply it. Again you have to write numerator, then sign of multiplication. Again you have to divide this this LCM by this denominator of third term. So when you divide 14 by 7, how many times it will go? 2 times. Okay, so 7 2 ja 14 again. So again you have to just simplify it. So write down 14 in the denominator as it is. Again 1 into 2, it will be 2, then sign of minus, then 3 into 1 3, then sign of plus, then 5 into 2 10. Okay, now again you have to simplify. When you simplify it, firstly you have to observe which number has positive sign and which number has negative sign. So positive will be added up and negative will be subtracted. So 2 has no sign. Okay, so if a number has no sign, then you have to understand that that number has a positive sign. Okay, so 2 is positive, plus 2, and sign of in front of the number will be considered that sign. So before 3, what is the sign? Sign of negative, that is subtraction. So 3 will be negative, so it will be minus 3 and it will be plus 3. So 10 plus 2, how much? 12, and this is minus 3, so minus 3 write down upon 14. So when you subtract 12 minus 3, how much it will be? It will be 9. Okay, so 9 upon 14 is your answer. Okay, Now I'm going to tell you how you have to apply the trick. So be focused, friend. So when I'm saying I'm going to apply trick, so trick is if the see if all the denominators of the fraction are from the same table. Okay, that is what I'm saying. I'm saying कि all the denominator are from same table. Same table means 7 is from 7th table, 14 is also from the 7th table, like 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So this is what I'm saying. Okay, so all our numbers are from the same table. Then you have to take the bigger number is your LCM. So 14 will be your LCM. You should remember it forever. Okay, if all the denominators given to you are coming from the same table, that is they are same multiple, then the bigger number will be your LCM. Okay, so you don't have to follow this process. Okay, so you already know 14 will be your LCM. So 14 will be your LCM, and then again same process, write numerator 1, sign of multiplication, then 7 2 ja 2 times LCM will be divided by this denominator. Okay, so 7 2 ja 14, then sign of negative, then again you have to write numerator, so 3 multiply sign you have to follow. Okay, when you divide 14 by 14, it will go by one time. Again there is a sign of positive, then you have to write 5 numerator, then sign of multiplication. Again you have to divide 14 by 7, that is this 14 you have to divide by this 7. Okay, so 2 times it will go. Again it is very easy. Now you have to 1 into 2 2, minus 3 into 1 3, sign of plus 5 into 2 10 upon 14. So it will be 12 minus 3 upon 14, so it will be 9 upon 14. I hope you understood. So this process is step number 1, you have to neglect when you apply the trick. Okay, so this much is the trick only. Okay, I hope you understood. So moving towards next question.